What's up, everybody? Chris Battis with Inbound Bro. Welcome. Today we have a HubSpot product update. Want to share with you. Let's dive in. So cool. As marketers are responsible for creating the content that positions the brand for success, right? Marketers shouldn't have to worry about managing multiple tools with various capabilities and logins and getting various clearance from the various teams to make updates to their content. This has been a huge goal of HubSpot CMS for it seems like the beginning of time, giving the marketer the freedom to do their job without requiring a developer. Okay, so to give the marketer even more control over their content, HubSpot's pushed two changes to the content editor within HubSpot. First of all, they've updated and reorganized the content editor for website pages, landing pages, and the blog editor. This update makes the content editing experience more consistent across the content tools, including emails, and it updates the tools for new features such as drag and drop page editing. If you haven't tried the new drag and drop page editor, not sure how new it is. I think it's pretty new. It's new to me, so it's got to be new. I don't know what settings I have in my portal. It's great. You can move modules around. You can drag modules in. You could set each section, padding, margin, set fonts, et cetera, et cetera. It's great. It's awesome. It is totally moving in the direction that HubSpot needs to go. The next push is they've made it easier to update global content without having to go into the design manager. For anyone that doesn't spend a lot of time in the design manager, it can be pretty daunting. I even find it daunting if I haven't been in there for a few weeks or a month. It's just like, whoa, what's going on in here? What am I looking at? There's a lot going on in there. It's just kind of a little bit, it's built for a little bit different of a skill set than the rest of the HubSpot tool. But once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to use. But the typical marketer that's trying to just create an email or quickly generate a landing page or format a blog, it's pretty challenging. And the ability to do everything on their own without having a design manager is super beneficial. With global content editing, for example, like a header or a footer or a sidebar, something that appears on multiple pages, you can now click into a global module or group inside the page editor and make changes to that module without having to go into the design manager. That's huge, right? That is really huge, because not only do you have to go into the design manager, but to get into a global group, you really have to go a couple of layers deeper into it. So this is super beneficial, really helps the marketer edit on the fly at the page level. They'll also be able to review all the assets and pages that any given update will affect, right? So, hey, I'm going to change this sidebar. What pages are using that? Just to make sure you don't update pages that shouldn't be updated. That's huge to know. Just to have that information is critical. The one kind of caveat is that in order to make changes to global modules or groups, you do need to access the edit global content, right? So you need permission to edit that, right? So it's kind of like you have the ability to edit on the page edit screens, but you do need permission. So you might need to talk to your HubSpot administrator to grant you that permission if you are someone that maybe they're locking out of the design tools to keep you from doing yourself harm. But users with the design manager access will have edit global content access by default, and this setting can be turned on and off. So you can limit what people can edit. So it's a great update. Another great push towards making the marketer or allowing the marketer to have freedom to edit as needed and work quickly to do their job, which is to push content. So I hope you like the update. Shoot me a note or ask any questions in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And we'll talk to you soon.